How to change email in Zapier. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, you must go to this website named Zapier.com. So this interface will pop up. Here on the right top, you can find your profile icon. Simply tap on your profile icon and here tap on settings. So basically we're in this settings interface. Here you'll be able to find different options and even customize it. So here on the top there's a section of email and beside it there is change email. Now in order to change it, simply tap on change email and tap on confirm. Now you can easily enter the email that you want to add on and a verification code will be sent to the mail. So later you can verify it and easily change it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.